Hello students, a very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are good, fit and fine at home. Children, please take out your GK book. In the previous chapter, we have completed IQ test 1. So today, we will start IQ test 2. IQ test 2, this chapter is totally based on reasoning, just like the IQ test 1 that we have studied in the previous video. So, this chapter is going to be very interesting just because of reasoning. There are some different types of questions that we are going to study in this chapter. So, please take out your GK book, pencil and eraser and open page number 51. Now, I am going to show you the book closely and we will fill the book. Please take out your book and open page number 51. Children, this is our chapter IQ Test 2. IQ Test 2 on page number 51. Please open this page. Question number 1. Complete the sequence. In this question, we have to complete the sequence. We have to find out the sequence and we will fill here in these spaces. Okay, so let's find out the first one. In the first picture, 2 lines are there. 1, 2. And in the second picture, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 lines are there, then 4 lines are in the next picture. Third one is, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 lines are there. 2 2s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. Right? Now 8 2s are 16. We will make the 16 lines here in this space. Okay? 2 2s are 4. Then 4 2s are 8. Then 8 2s are 16. 16 lines should be here. Okay? So let's make the lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay? 16 lines. Okay. Next one is 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 4s are. This is the table of 3. 3 1s are 3. 3 2s are 6. 3 3s are 9. And 3 4s are 12. So number 12 we will fill here. Number 12. Okay. Next question. Question number 2. How many squares, circles and triangles are there in the following shape? Here shapes are there. Many shapes are drawn here in this shape. And we have to find out the number of squares, circle and triangles and we will fill here in these spaces. At first we will fill number of squares. All the 4 sides are equal. They are known as squares. Okay. All the 4 sides are equal. This one 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 squares are inside and 1 is this. 13. Big square. Okay. Let's check anywhere else. A square is there? No. This is the rectangle. This one is the rectangle. This is also rectangle. Okay. Now 13 squares are there in this picture. 13. Okay. Number of squares 13. Next, number of triangles. Let's count the number of triangles. How many triangles are there? Small and big, all types of triangles are there. Let's find out. This is big triangle. 1, 2. Okay? 1, 2. Now, this one. 3. This one. 4. 5. Right? 6. Okay? 6. This is 7. 8. Okay? Children, 8 triangles are here. Okay? We have counted. Now, in this, let's count how many triangles are there. 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1 like this. 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Okay? Now 5. This one. 6. Hide this portion. Then this one is the triangle. You can hide this portion and you will find a triangle here. Then hide this portion and you will find a triangle here. Okay? So 6 we have counted. Now again hide this portion and get the triangle. 7. Now again hide this portion. Now 8. So 8 triangles are here also. 8 and 8. 16 means the total number of triangles are 16. Okay? 16 triangles. Then number of circles. How many circles are there? Can you see the circle? Let's find out how many circles. Only one big circle that we can see here. Only one. One circle is here in this picture. Okay? Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 3. Circle the odd one out. Odd one out. In this we have to circle the odd one. A. Mercury, Earth, Sun and Mars. Mercury, Earth, Sun and Mars. Which one is different? Mercury, Earth and Mars, these are the name of the planet. And this one, Sun is a star. So, we will circle the Sun. Okay? Next. B. Wrestling, swimming, shooting and talking. Wrestling, swimming, shooting and talking. Which one is different? These are the sports where we participate. Wrestling, swimming and shooting, and talking is different. This one is odd. Talking means baatein karna. Okay, we have to circle this one. This is not any kind of sport. Next, question number 4. Make at least 5 words from the word apartments. Children, we have to make 5 words and we will fill these 5 words here in these spaces by using this word. Okay? So let's fill one by one. Apartments. The first word I am going to write apart. A-P-A-R-T. Apart. A-P-A-R-T. Apart. Okay? Second should be team. T-E-A-M. Team. T-E-A-M. Team. Then third word I am going to write A-R-T-R. Art is also a word, right? A-R-T. Art. Next one, what should it be? Parts. This one is a part. Next one I am going to write parts. P-A-R-T-S. Parts. One more word we have to write here. T-E-N-T. Tent. We can add here S also. Tent or tents. Tent. T-E-N-T. Tent. Okay? Again. A-P-A-R-T, a part, that I have written here. Second one is team. T-E-A-M, team. Third one is art. A-R-T, art. Next one, parts. P-A-R-T and S, parts. And last one is T-E-N-T, tent. Okay? So children, we have completed this question also. 5 words we have written. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 5. Find the relation and fill in the blanks. Find the relation and fill in the blanks. A. Cat is to kitten as dog is to cat is to kitten. Kittens are the babies of the cat. Now we have to fill baby of the dog. Dog is to puppies. P-U-P-P-Y. Puppy. Next one. Cub is to bear as chicken is to cub is to bear as chicken is to hen. H-E-N. Okay. So now we have completed this one. IQ test 2. Please revise all these questions at home. Okay. We'll meet in the new video with the new chapter, children. Okay? Bye.